Bruxism is a condition in which you clench and grind your teeth. While most people do it at night, some people do it during the day. The causes of bruxism can be stress and anxiety, but it can also be an abnormal bite or even missing teeth. Symptoms can be that sometimes you have jaw pain or even a headache, but a lot of people don't have that, and instead we notice enamel wear, teeth cracking, and tooth abfractions. So how we treat bruxism is that we will recommend a night guard, and that is just a thin appliance that you wear at night, and that helps protect your teeth from the damage caused by bruxism.